Today we come to a company called Horay Solar, and it's my honor to invite the director of the sales, Marcus, here. Hello, Marcus.
Hello, Jay.
So I figured out that we are the really excellent and expert company of the PV panels.
Right.
And we're like mainly focused on this industry. So
Yes.
I wonder, can you tell our audience that what is our target marketing right now?
For Horay Solar, we founded in 2010, and we have already 14 years experience in this PV panels manufacturing field. So actually, we focus on this manufacturing industry, and our factory is very professional. And in the end of this year, we will increase to 2.5 gigawatts of the production capacity. Yeah.
So what is our main target like market right now? Europe or Africa or Asia?
We have in 2018 founded a company in Germany.
Okay.
So we have a German company, and also we have 3 local warehouses in Europe. One is in Frankfurt, in Germany, and the second one is in Rotterdam, in Netherlands, and also the other one in Spain, near Valencia. So these 3 local warehouses will help us to respond the client's order very quickly. And also we have some after-sales service team in Frankfurt, in our German company actually. So this market, the German market, also the European market is our main target.
So I can understand it like no matter in the warehouse part about storage the products or the delivering speed in Europe, and also the after sales services, we have a lot of advantage over there in Europe.
Of course,
right?
of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after Europe, what is your next step for the global like map?
Actually, we are now focusing on African market and also the Middle East market. We have some exhibitions last year in North Africa, and also in the next months we will go to Pakistan and also Saudi Arabia to go to the exhibition there to promote the market there.
Okay, very good, very good. So I wonder, I saw a lot of solar panels here, and
Right.
very different from other companies. We have some really huge one. I saw it called N-type.
N-type,
Right.
yeah.
So could you please introduce us one of the best-selling and most marvelous ones here?
As you can see, we have the N-type panels, like 590 watt. This is our best-selling panels, and European companies, European EPC or distributors, they like this kind of big panels for the big project in Europe. So this is our best-selling product.